Daily forecast for EURUSD for Wednesday, the 13th of September 2023. This is the daily chart. We are bullish. We've had a break of structure, after which we've pulled back. This is the last demand zone over here, from where we're now getting a bit of a reaction. Is this going to be the reaction which actually takes out this weak daily swing high? We do not know for sure. I do see prices come down with a lot of momentum over here. Will this really cause the break of the daily swing strong low? We don't know, but our job as traders is to respond and react to what the price does and not have any biases. So as far as the daily is concerned, we are bullish and we're looking at continuation of this trend and maybe target this. I will be more in line with that thinking if we have at least a chalk or change of character once we have a break of this. Ideally, a break of this high will indicate that the price is now ready to kind of go up. However, like I said, seeing this momentum and of course the weekly leg that we see, the pullback is more or less over and the weekly trend may now continue and we go down further. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the H4, we are obviously bearish. We've had a break of structure over here, and from this point we are now looking at the pullback phase of this bearish H4 leg. Will the price pull back to this zone or to this zone? We do not know for sure, but we can anticipate that this zone definitely looks more probable to me than this one. This has a lot more going for it than this, so probably we will continue up and go further from here. That's as far as the H4 is concerned. We have a demand zone here. Price came down, reacted strongly, and we probably will now take this out and get into this, maybe get a reaction and go further up, or prices reverses from here and we are then ready to take out. This probably now will become the weak swing low as far as the H4 is concerned. The H1, is there any zone? Yesterday we did mark this zone which was not respected at all. The price just kind of shot through this, came into this huge gap over here, mitigated that and went on further. So there are people who I think trade these gaps. I'm not very sure what they're called as far as the ICT terminology is concerned, but this gap has some name and it becomes very high probability area to kind of look for trades from here. So that's as far as the H1 is concerned. I think we can get rid of this. Moving on to the M15, this is what the M15 looks like. We are bullish. We had a break of structure, after which price has pulled back, and this we can now mark as the strong swing low, and this is a weak swing high which we expect price to now kind of take out. Yesterday we were on the M5. I was looking at this PVL and however there was no entry because this was a very good liquidation as per me of relatively equal lows. Then we had a fake break and then price came in over here, and I was looking to trade from this zone, really from this candle here, and target like a 5-hour. However, price didn't really pull down here or tag me into this trade. Plus it was timing wise a little, we were already at 1600. So just about an hour for my trading time, but price didn't really tag me in. However, this would have been a good trade and it met all the criteria. So anyway, it is what it is. So currently going back to the M15, as far as zones are concerned, nothing really happening. Maybe this is one zone that we can look at. I'm just going to mark this as the M15. Over here, probably this entire zone here, because this is mitigated by this. Okay, we'll probably just maybe cover this too and mark this as a probable zone where price kind of comes in, and we look at targeting this week high. Otherwise, there's nothing much happening here. So that's it. Coming into London, I'll be favoring longs once we kind of pull into some kind of a demand zone, and then look at targeting this. Of course, there's a lot of, I think, news happening today. Today is Wednesday, so we got some major news at 1:30 p.m. That's London time. So we need to be careful of the CPI. Price may not even be too, it may not go anywhere because of this major news anticipation here. Alright, so that's it. Happy trading.